So this is the basic Power Automate window that you will find when you click on that icon. Notice that there is a menu here along the side, and you can uh, expand the menu or shrink it. In this case, for my window, I can see the get push notification when you receive email from your boss directly in my first available opportunities to click. But if that isn't there for you, you can always go to templates. And when you click on that, it will take you to the section that shows you a whole bunch of templates available to you. Each of these templates has a basic structure. You can see different icons here at the top, and that basically means these are the systems involved in the production of your flow. So this one, for example, is one for Gmail and Dropbox, whereas this one is one for Outlook and Dropbox, and so on and so forth. So the easiest way to get to the kind of template you want is to type some kind of word like boss here, and then we got here these different options. We're gonna get to this one. Look at the fact this one has been used probably the most out of these different options. So we're gonna click on that. When a Power Automate window to start from a template comes up, you will see a little description here of all the necessary pieces or information associated with it. And then it's really just a matter of making sure you're logged in to the different systems that you may have permissions to and create the flow. So the flow has been created for you, but you probably want to modify it a little bit. So you have the opportunity here to do a few things with your flow, including at some point, if you don't want to use it, to actually turn it off. So let's go to Edit. And then here are the different pieces of the flow. It starts up with telling you that the trigger function is basically an email arriving in your inbox. So every time an email arrives in your inbox, then it will move to looking at Microsoft, at your Microsoft profile and fetch it to analyze it. And in your profile, it will look for this particular variable, which is user principal, that's your supervisor, name. So when that has been fetched, then you want to decide whether or not this flow should be run or not. So there is a condition here. So if the condition that says in the body of the email comes from, who it comes from equals to, and in this case, your manager, if that is yes, send a push notification. If it is no, don't do anything. So we're going to here to, this is the one piece you may want to configure, and that's say, okay, so email notification. Currently the text, or sorry, the push notification, currently the text will say boss said and the topic. So you may leave it as that, or important message from boss. And with that, you can save it. When you save it, there's a process here called flow checker. But essentially, your flow has been set up, so we can exit it. Okay, so the flow checker, which is a part I skipped over in the last recording, once you have saved it or during saving, it will always check to see all the pieces, take a look at all the different components of your flow. If it finds any errors or warnings, it will let you know here.